What if I told you that the biggest fortune aren't made when the market's booming, but right in the depths of a crash? Stick with me because today we're uncovering the real secret of the wealthy. In the world of investing, there is a profound difference how the wealthy responds to market downturns and how the average investor responds. Most of us, we freeze, we panic, we wait, we hope it gets better before we move. But the wealthy, they buy when there's blood on the street. They buy when there's chaos. They buy when the market crashes. They buy when there's a full meltdown. That is the secret. Now here's the part most people never understand. They don't realize on how they feel that day. They don't wait for courage or excitement or a good time. They set up a system, one system, set once, and it's done forever. A system is simple. Think of something you already do without thinking. Every morning you make your coffees the same way, or you put your key in the same spot, or you fold a blanket before you leave the bedroom. You don't negotiate with yourself. You don't vote on it. You just do it. It runs on autopilot. That's exactly as the wealthy do with the money. They walk into the bank or open their exchange app and they say, every single week or every single month, take the exact amount and buy Bitcoin, no matter what. And then they walk away and never touch it again. That system keeps running when the sun is shining, and it keeps running when the sky falls. When Bitcoins dip 20%, 30%, 50%, most regular investors get cautious. They slow down. They buy less. Some even sells everything and swear Bitcoin was a scam. But the wealthy, their reoccurring buy doesn't feel fair. It doesn't read the headlines. It doesn't have a bad day. It just buy while everyone else is stressed, bored, and distracted. The wealthy treat that boring feelings as a secret ingredient because boring is where the real money is made. The wealthy don't act on impulse. They do their homework once. They look at history once, and then they let the reoccurring buy do the rest. History has proven it over and over. The people who kept buying through every crash are the ones who woke up rich. So here's my promise to you. If you set up this one simple system, if you set up an automatic occurring buy for Bitcoins and you never turn it off, you will look back in 5 years, 10 years, and you will thank the versions of you who decided to stop relying on feeling and start relying on a system. Set it once, forget it forever. Let the crashes becomes your discounts. Let the chaos becomes your clearance sales. Because while the crowd is screaming, the calm ones, the ones with the quiet little reoccurring buy, they're the ones stacking fortunes. One automatic purchase at a time. That's it. That's the whole secret. Now, have you set up your system yet?